Okay, what are we doing on that?
I'm giving him an added count 5 of impeding.
Okay, let me get the judge in. Hold on a
1 through
second.
4.
Okay, hold on. And that's, he waived. Okay.
All right, Miss Bailey, on Dariante Lassiter.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the plea?
Mr. Lassiter is going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, and I'm going to dismiss counts 1 through 4.
Mr. Lassiter, is that your understanding?
Yes.
It's a $180 ticket. Can you pay that within the week?
Yeah, I can.
All right, make sure you either pay it live at the court, go online and pay it on our website, or mail it in, okay?
I can go to the court and pay it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All right, you're all set.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Miss Medina, are we ready on Miss Blackburn?
No, I needed to speak to APA Sona regarding Miss Blackburn. I am ready on Miss Ishmael.
You're ready on Miss, okay.
So I'm not handling the Blackburn matter due to a conflict. That will be Bryn Bailey or Michael. I don't know who.
It'd be Miss Bailey.
They're aware.
Okay,
That's
I'm
right.
sorry.
I remember the email now.
and I apologize for that. Miss Bailey, of course, didn't recall that, and so I was waiting to speak to you. Thank you so much. We'll discuss it.
Bryn, Michael has the file.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, Madam Clerk or Your Honor.
Hold on, Miss Tuttles, or Mr. Tuttles, I see you. Hold on. I'm talking to the judge for a second.
Okay.
People versus Amina Ishmael.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Miss Amina Ishmael. Miss Amina Ishmael, I believe, dialed into court, Your Honor, so her screen is not working.
Okay, that's fine.
Miss Ishmael, would you please state your name for the record?
Amina Ishmael.
Miss Medina, what's the plea? I heard her. What's the plea?
Your Honor, at this time, we don't have a plea. I did have the opportunity to speak with Miss.
Okay, you could have asked Michelle if you want an adjourned date. You don't need me. You can ask Michelle and she'll just give you another date.
Oh, okay. I
That's
apologize,
fine.
Your Honor.
That's fine.
Okay,
Not
sorry,
worry.
I was on the phone. Is that Miss Ishmael?
Yes.
Yes,
She needs an adjourned pretrial date.
Do you need 1 week, 2 weeks?
We were hoping for as much as we could. She's making progress on her license.
August 31st at 10:15 in front of Judge Martin.
Thank you very much.
Michelle, she also has two looks like Metro Airport cases that we'll send her a date on also.
Okay.
That their bench warrants, we'll lift the bench warrants and send her a date. Okay, Miss Medina?
Thank you very much, Your
You're
Honor. Now
welcome.
I know for the future adjournments. Okay.
No
thank you.
worries.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Tuttles, back to you.
Okay, good. Thank you, Your Honor.
No, it's me. It's Michelle, the clerk.
Okay, I'm sorry. Get Michelle. I'm on Miss what's her, how you pronounce it? Burnett. And I
What
don't
time
have
she
this
set
covered.
for? Hold on.
I think she set for a PCC.
Yep, I'm trying to find her.
Okay.
Miss Burnett.
Yes.
I don't even, yeah, I'm gonna have to, I don't have that name on my docket.
Okay, then I might be in the wrong courtroom. It might be Tashina Urquhart. Yeah, I think it's Urquhart. She said with 8:45.
Who?
EQUHART.
Wait, oh, no, it's McQueen. You're on McQueen.
Oh, I got a lot
Yeah, you're way off.
going on. Okay, all right. I'm in a trial. I need
Okay.
one last adjournment.
And on McQueen, you need an adjournment?
Yes. I'm in a trial.
Okay,
Okay,
is your client's listening, I hope.
okay. If not, I'm out.
Ferrantino? McQueen?
Yes,
Are you listening?
Yes.
Just listen because we're adjourning your case, but I will send
Okay.
you notice today. So I can
Okay.
do it, Mr. Tuttles, I can
Yes.
do it,
Okay,
next week on the
I can do that.
17th or the 24th.
let's go to 17.
Next week,
Yes. I
do you
do.
want 8:45 or 9?
9, please?
In front of
That's
Judge Green again?
Okay. So that's on 8/17.
Yep, at 9 a.m.
9.
in front of Judge Green.
Okay. Thank you. Ms.
You're
McQueen, give
welcome.
me a call. Okay, thank you.
All
okay,
right, you're
will
all
do.
set. And
Okay.
then, where'd Miss Medina go? She must be talking.
Okay,
Are
I'm
you-
good.
Yes, are we good?
You are good. Yep, you can go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And
Have a
then,
good day.
Mr. Amadeo, you're ready. Mr. Ward, do you want to set an exam date?
Yes, please, Michelle. Thank you. Michelle, I have a 9 o'clock in this. Do you want me to check back in or should we just get the date, whatever works
Nope,
for you?
we're doing it right
No,
now.
I'm doing it right now. People
Gotcha, Judge.
versus Ramonte Ward.
Good morning, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P76194 for Amante Word. We both appear via Zoom and waive our right to be present in person.
Miss Bailey, are you on this?
I believe she is, but she's speaking with the in-house.
Yeah, I need her to give a date. Well, counsel, I could do it as early. If the prosecutor can do it, I could do it next week at noon. Is it live?
Yes. What day would that be, Judge? Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday, next Wednesday, the 17th at
She's back.
noon.
She's back.
Miss Bailey, could you do the word case next Wednesday at noon?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, which case?
Word?
Yes, ma'am, that is mine.
No, I know it's yours. Can you do it next Wednesday at noon?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
That'll work for me, Judge, as well.
All right, let's do it then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Miss Kirkland, are you ready to talk to Mr. DeLong?
Yes, when Mr. Thomas gets back, I'd like to talk to him again. The jail disconnected, like their Zoom went away. So, but I would like to talk to him.
They disconnect. They're right here.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Can I finish speaking with him?
You need to, you need to go back with the jail?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So you guys can
Thomas,
both,
Camera 1.
you guys can just rejoin where you were.
Thank you.
Do you see it? Do you see how to do that?
Yes.
I was more asking the jail. All right, Miss Medina, are we ready on your, Miss Blackburn?
I am going to speak to her briefly. I just finished with Madam Prosecutor and I'll be right back.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Mr. Cripps, do you want to wait for your client? Or?
Yes,
Or,
I can
okay,
waive his appearance.
and we're setting an exam date or are we adjourning?
I would like a adjournment to get a handle on discovery, please.
Okay. And Sona was sending that to you right now, I think.
Yeah, so I was able to send what I have. I'm trying to locate the videos. There's a lot of them. So I reached out to the detective to see where they uploaded because I can't find it, but I sent everything else that I have.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Oh, wait, the jail's back on.
Hey, Michelle, they keep putting us with Attorney Medina.
What? I didn't touch it. Okay. All right, let me try to move you. Hold on.
That's my attorney right there, Sarah Kirkland. Remember her name.
I'm moving you to, okay, Miss Kirkland, go ahead and join 10.
Okay.
So if I had just probably a week's continuance at
Okay, yep, I'm back to you now. Okay, and Justice, we can adjourn it. I can do
Yeah, a week is fine for me.
the 17th at 8:30. It has to be 8:30 because he's in custody.
that's perfect.
All right, and I'll send out new notice. You may not get it in time. Division 1, you're back again. Oh, no, you were. Yep, Miss.
So we all set on justice then?
You are set on Justice.
Thank you. Thank you for sending me to discovery, Sonia. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. I'll get you the rest in the next couple of days. Thank you.
Thank you. Everybody
Pavanchi,
have a
did you
great
hear
day.
that on Mr. Justice?
What's that?
We adjourned Mr. Justice's case. His attorney requested to next week, the 17th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
So we're done with him.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you. Everybody have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Good morning, Mr. Martell. Oh, he's not on yet.
But we will just get it on. Yeah. No, two book if you actually. Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Geringer.
Good morning.
Is your client with you or are we expecting your client separately?
Expecting them separately. I had
Okay.
two Zoom rooms, Judge Martin or Judge Green. So
You're in the right one.
I'm here.
I have
Okay.
you on my docket, so.
All right, thank you.
I'm trying to see if I see Miss Bailey. Let me put you into Miss Bailey's waiting. Oh, she's. Do you want to speak to Miss Bailey first, the prosecutor?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, Miss Kirkland, are we ready on which case?
He never made it back to the breakout room.
I don't know. I put him in there. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, we ended with Judge or Attorney Medina.
No, and I know, and I moved you into 10. I moved you. I don't know if someone's grabbing you because I have you. I don't know. I have you listed as going into room 10 with, let me try to move you to 11. Division 1, camera 1.
I was here 15 minutes before they showed up on camera.
I
the
can't
work
tell
as
your
well.
attorney how to do it. I don't know. I'm doing the best I can here. This is the last attempt I can do, Miss Kirkland.
Are we going to 10 or 11? Because it's only
Trying to
giving me
move you to 10, but now it's telling me 10's not available for you. I am not quite sure what's going on.
It's giving me the option to go to 10.
Okay, go then. Mr. Martell, I see you here. Your client is, they're gonna have him on camera in a few minutes, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Miss Medina, are we ready?
I am moving her back in with me. They had disconnected.
What are we doing with hers? Are we adjourning
Oh,
it? Or are we?
It's being adjourned and there's gonna be.
Okay, that's all I need to know because I need to move the docket. So, how long do we need?
Just a second for me to talk to her, disconnected from the jail. So I wasn't able to explain to her, but we would also be doing a bond motion.
Okay, Miss Medina, can you talk to her real quick? Can you move her?
Yes, she is actually assigned to my meeting room. I just need her to join. I'm trying to do that.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Miss Kirkland, are you ready to talk to Mr. DeLong?
I can talk to Mr. DeLong. I still was not able to get in.
I can't. I don't know what's going on with the jail. It might be their connection or.
No,
Okay,
actually, we have, no, he's on camera one.
Yeah, that's right. And I moved camera one.
But we keep getting Medina. And she's in a.
I'm not quite sure how, if someone's grabbing you.
So
I
I
don't know
did just log out and log back in. So hopefully you can just reset me completely. And
Because I show that camera one is in room 11. So, well, now they're not. Now they're out.
Yeah, Thomas is on camera one. Ms.
Yep.
Beck is
And
on
I'm
camera
looking at
five.
it. Yeah, I'm looking at camera one, division one, camera one. Let's try it again. I don't know. Go ahead, Miss Kirkland, join it.
Is there any way I can request a different attorney that cares about me being at work for 40 minutes on the computer?
Mr. DeLong, I think she's trying to, because we're having technical issues. That's part of the problem, that she's trying to talk to somebody in custody.
I was here
So-
first. I mean,
I understand that,
I
but
was on at 8:15.
I'm doing the best I can.
Right. I'm worried about losing my job here. I'm in my boss's office on his computer. I told him it'd be like 20 minutes. We're working on. over
Mr.
40.
DeLong, this is Judge Green. We'll adjourn it 1 week, be on next Wednesday at 8:45.
Okay.
Okay? Back on my docket, okay?
Is it the same room number?
Same room number.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll see you next week.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
This is it right here, I guess.
All right, Miss Medina, are we ready on Blackburn now?
Yes, we are ready, Your Honor.
Okay, then let me get the judge. Hold on.
People versus Deborah Blackburn.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor. Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Miss Blackburn. Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Miss Bailey regarding this case today. There are several considerations. They do need to obtain their file, review the file. We're asking for a week or two adjournment. In the meantime, Your Honor, I would like to address bond. My understanding is that Miss Bailey is not opposed to a personal bond with tether as opposed to the 5,000, 10% that is currently ordered, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Ms. Mosesian?
My camera froze.
Judge, I'm sorry, I'm not on this case because of a conflict, so it's Miss
Oh,
Lee.
Miss Bailey.
Okay, there she goes.
She's in with an attorney.
Let me jump on with Miss Bailey and just verify that. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Mr. Cooper, can you please accept the invitation and Mr. Holbrook to join the breakout room, please?
I'm
on Holbrook.
I know, but his information has to be, according to our court administrator, has to be confirmed. So he
Okay,
has to go talk to Mary Ann first.
okay, no problem.
Mr. Cooper, can you please join the breakout room?
No, and then I missed like.
Mr. Weinberg, I see that you're here.
Hello, could I have a breakout room with the prosecutor when I have a minute?
When she comes back.
All right, Ms. Medina on Blackburn, I'll amend it to a personal bond with the GPS tether. Michelle, give me a date.
They wanted to proceed, they wanted to proceed.
Did they want just 1 week?
Then my visitations, I got.
Miss Medina, do you want 1 week or 2?
Ms. Beatty indicated 1 or 2 weeks, so whatever's convenient for the court.
I can do 1 week at 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's a land. I don't think it was a DD. It was something of a telecommunication device.
Okay, you're all set, Miss Blackburn, and we will send over amended information for the jail, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Did Officer Provenci hear what we're doing?
I got the PR and I got to go to.
With Tether.
Yeah, the PR, the Tether, and then yes, come back. So just with you now?
Yep, you're all set.
Jail, can we have Mr. Gregory?
Yeah, but like I said, I mean, we're trying on the water, it's like I was.
Madam, Michelle?
Yeah.
Okay, I have Gregory and Stoll on deck.
Okay, you can bring Gregory. His attorney's here.
Wait, stand by.
Mr. Martell, we probably need Miss Bailey.
Correct.
Let me see if I can get her out.
Thank you.
Mr. Jamil, would join the breakout room request. Mr. Mays, what are we doing to Mr. Holbrook?
Just meet with the prosecutor. I filed my
Stand
discovery
in line.
request
All right,
yesterday.
hold in line. All right, Miss Kirkland, we ended up adjourning Mr. DeLong because he requested it.
Okay,
So it's next week at 8:45,
okay.
same Zoom. And then what are we doing with your client?
I am going to request discovery because I don't have any discovery and then address bond.
Okay. Is that Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
Okay. And that's Sona.
And can I actually let me see.
Can you what?
On another Zoom. What was that? I missed it, Michelle. I had to.
People versus Pat Thomas.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Judge Sona Mosisian on behalf of the people, P83923.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Kashaba Kirkland on behalf of Mr. Thomas, P84015.
This is a request for an adjournment and a bond argument. The bond is 10,000, 10% with the GPS tether. Go ahead, Ms. Kirkland.
Yes, Your Honor. We just request that he be given a personal bond with that GPS tether, Your Honor. He does live at a residence with the complaining witness. However, he has arranged for him to be able to stay with his mom, and I do have that address if you need it. He is currently working. He does not know if he would still have that job. However, he would like to get out and see to make steps to either maintain.
Any objection to the personal bond with the GPS, Ms. Mosisian?
Yes, only because I actually wanted to address bond myself. I was told by the complainant that the defendant did contact him from jail twice on Friday evening. The complainant did not answer the phone call, but it was coming from the jail, specifically from the defendant. If that personal bond is given, I just want to make sure that the court makes the defendant aware of what that no contact order looks like and what that means, especially if he's going to be released.
Ms. Kirkland?
Your Honor, my response would be, I didn't hear anything about this before today. And
You're hearing about it right now, so
Yes.
I want you to address your client with this.
okay, Your Honor. Even though it doesn't sound like there's actual confirmation that that call came from my client, I do want to let you know, Mr. Thomas.
So are you saying that she has multiple people in jail that are accused of whatever against her and calling her? I mean, the phone call came from the jail, Ms. Kirkland. So there's at least, probable that it's probable or most likely that it was your client.
No, and it actually,
Well, you know what? I'll deal with your client. Mr. Thomas.
Ma'am.
You cannot make phone calls to her.
Ma'am, it's a lot of numbers stored in my head. I'm sorry, I will not contact this person until this case is resolved because I feel like I
So
said,
are you saying you dialed the wrong number?
because there's a lot of numbers in my head.
Okay, I'll take that I'll accept that, but you understand that that's a problem.
I will not contact that person. I will not contact that person.
Okay, Ms. Mosisian, what else did you want to say?
that was it, Judge. I just wanted to address that contact.
I'll amend it to the personal bond with the GPS tether. Adjournment, how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, Ms. Kirkland?
Judge,
Okay.
I just need 1 week for discovery, so it shouldn't take too long.
I'm sorry, how many weeks?
I said I just need 1 week for discovery, so it shouldn't be.
Okay, we'll adjourn it 1 week to August the 17th. Michelle, what time?
August 17th, you said?
Yeah.
Can I?
At 10:50, oh, he's in custody. It's gotta be 8:30.
8:30.
If I can raise one more issue.
Yep.
I believe actually the complainant and the defendant do work together or were working together. I don't know if that's going to cause a problem now, if that's the job that he was talking or that his attorney was mentioning earlier.
Ms. Kirkland?
Yes, Your Honor, my understanding is that they do work together. Mr. Thomas does not know or believe that he will have that job when he's released from here.
Okay.
So I don't think that would be a problem.
Okay. As long as you understand it can't be a problem.
I understand. Mr. Thomas, do you understand that? So you will not be able to return to your job during the pendency of this case?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Can I, Judge?
Yeah.
Can I still file my grievance through my union though?
Oh, I don't care about that. Yeah, that doesn't have anything to do with contact.
Okay, so I can still file. Okay,
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Geringer, are we ready on Mr. Cooper?
Yes.
What are we doing?
Well, Your Honor,
No, I'm the clerk. Just tell me if I'm adjourning or plea. That's all I want to know.
I guess I have a oral motion to make.
Because if it's an
front of
adjournment,
the
I can
judge.
do it and get rid of you. If it's a
It's not an
is your
adjournment.
client here? I don't see your client.
He's not.
I'm looking.
Let me see.
I do not see Mr. Cooper anywhere. So maybe that's your first task, is to find your client.
Okay. I'll see if I can give him a call here. If I could just pass on this for now. Thank
Yep.
you.
Okay, jail division 1. Who do I have on camera now?
On camera 1, you got John Stahl.
Okay. And we need Miss Richards, so I don't have her yet. Oh, that's kind of odd. All right, let me call and try to find her.
Ms. Mosisian, can you hear me? Sona? Good morning. Is it Mr. Hamad?
Morning. Good morning. Yes, I'm here for Siraj Jamil, who's also present.
Yep, I see that he's here. What time is it? Oh, I see it.
9:15, I believe.
Yeah, and just hold tight. Miss Bailey has quite a backlog to talk to.
Okay. Thank you.
Miss Kostowski, or did you need to join the request to join the breakout room? Have you done that?
Yeah,
No, you didn't do that. It says not joined. You
Yeah.
need to talk to the clerk before you come into the meeting room. Same with Kyra, you need to join the breakout room, please.
Okay.
Jail, who's on camera 5? No, no, you're camera 1, Mr. Stahl. I know who you are. I know who you are. Who's on camera 5?
That's Mr. Gregory.
Thank you. That's what I thought. I just gotta make my notes better. Mr. Coots, good morning. Who do you need to speak with today?
Good morning. The Wayne County Prosecutor.
Yeah, stand in line. It's a very long line.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a few.
not a problem. I'm just sitting here eating carrots.
Okay. Kyra, the observer for Mr. Thomas, that case was already handled this morning. It's adjourned to next week at 8:30.
The same day?
Yep. Well, next week at 8:30.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Counsel on Edmonds, did you already speak with the prosecutor?
Not today, but we do have a agreement that.
What are we doing? Are you entering a
Taking a
plea?
plea, yes.
Okay, hold on a second.
People versus Rakai Edmonds.
Ready.
Counsel, what are we doing with this?
Good morning, Your Honor. Will Hickey and P 1520 on behalf of Mr. Edmonds, who is appearing via Zoom. Can you state your name for the record, Mr. Edmonds?
Rakai Edmonds.
Thank you. Your Honor, I did reach out to Mr. Heafy, who is in charge of deviations for Wayne County. There is currently an offer. The offer is to reduce count 1 to an attempt possession of marijuana on school property, a 1-year misdemeanor. There is a count 2 would be dismissed. We would plead as charged to count 3 with a sentence agreement to probation under HIDA with conditions to be set by the court.
And is Miss Bailey aware of that plea?
She was CC'd on the email from Mr. Heafy. I'm more than fine waiting for her to come in to confirm on the record, Your Honor.
Yeah, good luck with that. I'll jump in and make sure that I confirm it with her. Hang on, I'll go into the breakout room that she's in.
Mr. Martell, do we know what we're doing on Mr. Gregory's case?
Yes, thank you. I've spoken with Ms. Bailey. Is this court may recall there's
Yeah, I'm just a clerk. I'm just trying to figure out if I have to give a new date or give.
Yeah, I believe we're going to need a new date. And as I don't believe that the criminal responsibility.
And I don't know that we're ever going to get it.
Okay. So yeah, I would be asking for a new date and just asking to address bond briefly. We have a bond
Okay,
stipulation.
okay.
Is to
Hold
bond.
on a second.
All right, on People versus Ray Edmonds, counsel, I have confirmed with Miss Bailey that he's gonna plead to an amended count 1 of the attempt on school property, dismiss count 2, and he pleading to the count 3
Correct.
with the recommendation that it's deferred under HIDA for a year upon successful completion of the 1-year period, payment of $500 per count for a total of $1,000. This case will be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Edmonds?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that by pleading guilty to these two, this amended charge and the count 3, that you're giving up your rights is listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it true that on or about May the 17th of this year, you attempted to have marijuana on school property in Huron Township?
Yes.
And that you also had a pneumatic gun on school property?
Yes.
I'll defer both under HIDA, assess the $1,000. Looks like there's a bond. They'll apply the bond, return the balance of the bond, and no trouble for the year, and it'll be dismissed.
Perfect.
All right.
Does he reach out to probation or is
After,
there?
yeah, well, it's a non-reporting, so
Okay,
you'll stay out of
Perfect.
trouble. All right.
perfect.
Okay,
Thank you, Your
You're all
Honor.
set. Yeah.
Thank you.
Judge, Mr. Martell is ready on Gregory, but I don't know if we need Miss Bailey.
We don't. On Shanti, Gregory, what do you want to do, Mr. Martell?
Thank you, Judge. And just for the record, good morning and good morning to your staff. Edward Martell, P85051. I'm Mr. Gregory. I still have not received notice of the criminal responsibility report. I'm not sure that it's even been conducted. My bigger concern is Mr. Gregory is still incarcerated in the Wayne County Jail, which of course is not conducive to his mental health, therapy or rehabilitation. In furtherance of some, getting him the help that he needs and continued treatment. Myself and Ms. Bailey have stipulated to a $10,000, 10% with a GPS tethered bond. I would ask this honorable court to adopt that and to adjourn this matter and see if we get the report and draw.
Let me verify with her. I'm going to jump in and verify with her that she stipulated to that. Hang on just a second.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Miss Anderson.
Good morning. How are you?
I don't know. I think I'm okay. Is there any way, can you cover for Miss Richards and Mr. Stahl? I mean, they've been on since before 8 o'clock.
Sure, no problem.
He's in custody. He's in 8:30.
Okay. Let me see if I can, is he set for a PCC?
Yes.
Nope.
Do you want me to put you in a breakout room with them?
Sure, that'd be great. Thank you.
Thanks. Go ahead, Division 1, you can join that.
Mr. Martell,
Yes, Judge.
unfortunately, she says she objects because she didn't realize that pretrial services had recommended no action on the bond.
Okay, Judge, I wasn't aware that there wasn't even, I don't believe I even seen a DSU report.
Yeah, there was a DSU report. It's on the front of the file now. And it says the writer recommends no action on the present 100,000, 10% with continuations of the conditions and no contact with the complainants and cannot return.
Judge, in light of that, might I briefly allocute for a modification of the bond? And
You can, I guess the problem is I need Miss Bailey. I can't do that without her on, but I will tell you that the problem is I'm not inclined to go to pretrial, go against what pretrial services says when I haven't heard anything. You know what I mean? I don't have any witnesses. I don't have any. So I'm not likely to change it. I can let you make the argument, but I'm not likely to change it.
Thank you, Judge. And respectfully, I so acknowledged by defense, but I would request to make the argument. I think there's a good argument for bond reduction.
Okay.
And I will defer to, whenever Ms.
No,
Bailey is
that's fine.
available.
Yeah, you got to hang out and wait. And we'll see. All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, you're welcome.
Mr. Wilkins, I need you to join the request for breakout room, please. Mr. Wilkins? Mr. Robinette, have you talked to your attorney?
I have not today.
You might want to make a phone call and see if you can find him.
Okay. I'll rejoin the Zoom. Okay, because I'm on my phone.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thank you.
Ms. Buckberry,
Yes.
my client informed me, texted me, he's having connection issues with his internet. When I spoke with Miss Bailey, well, I guess at this point, then we would have to seek an adjournment if Mr. Cooper isn't able to connect here.
What were you going to do on it?
Well, there was some discovery issues
Okay, so you needed an adjournment anyway for discovery?
that I wanted to address in front of the judge.
Wait, you broke up.
Essentially,
What did you
yes.
want to address with the judge? You broke up.
Essentially, I mean, discovery I had requested months ago, and the prosecutor still hasn't gotten it to me. So I wanted to bring that up to the judge's attention, basically, that potentially moving to dismiss this or exclude any new discovery just because it's going on a couple months and I haven't received anything. I haven't seen a ticket or a complaint or anything here. And I guess that's what I wanted to address in front of the judge today, but
Okay, we're gonna have to wait for Miss Bailey.
There is discovery.
Okay, we have to wait for Miss Bailey. That's fine. Mr. Robinette, I see you came back. Did you get a hold of your attorney? Mr. Robinette, did you get a hold of Mr. Hatchett?
Yes, I did. He was having some small technical difficulties, but I do believe that he just switched computers and should be on.
Okay, I'll watch for him. Mr. Parker, good morning. I see you here.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great.
All right.
Nice to see you here.
Good to see you too. I'm getting ready to do
Mr. Moss, I see.
yeah, and I'm getting ready to do an in-person at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Do you need to speak with Sona real quick?
No, I just want to set it for a prelim. Do you have
hold
any
on.
dates?
Yep, let me get the judge.
All right then.
Ms. Mosisian.
Yes.
On People versus Nathan Moss. I could do it as early as next Wednesday at noon if Ms. Mosisian can do it then.
Judge,
That might be a problem. I do have a trial starting 8:15. I believe it's gonna go.
And I
Okay.
can't do it then either. I'm in training on the 16th, 17th, and 18th of next week.
Yeah, we went through this with you before that I ended up in October with you. So I'm just gonna give that date instead of messing with it.
But I can do or my dates don't have to be Wednesdays.
The date in October wasn't a Wednesday. It
Oh,
was,
no, I know. I'm just letting you know that I didn't.
I understand that, but I know that August, I gave like 3 or 4 dates and none of them worked. I can give,
Those are the only days in August that I can't. So if you have anything else, I can
I
definitely.
don't, I have a conference and then it's. Thursday, September the 15th at noon.
Judge, Thursday,
What's that?
Thursdays are my warrant duty days. I have to be. in the-
Okay, you just said I don't have to do them on Wednesdays, and so what days can you not do them?
It's just Thursdays.
Tuesday, the 13th at 10 o'clock.
That'll be a good day for me.
That works. Thank you.
Actually,
Is that 10 o'clock?
yeah, hang on a second. Is that doesn't work for you, Miss Mosisian, because that's your, see, I don't have you for that day for domestics, but you have a domestic docket that day.
Yeah, but usually it ends by 10:30, 11, so I can do it.
I said 10 o'clock and you said fine. So you clearly can't do it at 10 o'clock on that day. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I do, yeah. I didn't realize it was my Tuesday, but yes.
Well, and I don't have it. It's not, you're not scheduled with me. So I don't follow. I know it's either the 2nd and the 4th or the 1st and the 3rd.
Yeah, you're right. It would be the 13th and the 27th of the month of September.
Well, I don't know if the other judges set do they set things like that on, do they do your?
I've done it before. I do it right. I just come in that morning and
No, but I'm asking you, I can't take another judge's date. That's the problem.
Oh,
you don't have anything scheduled on the 13th, no live exams. Then I'll do it at 11 on the 13th. Okay.
That works. Thank you.
Is that good for you,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Parker?
11 o'clock. The 13th of September.
Yep.
Very
All
good.
right, you're all set.
Thank you. I'll
You're
give you a
welcome.
call, Mr. Moss. You can sign off. Everybody have a good day.
Your Honor?
Yes, Mr. Martell.
Sorry to interrupt. And considering all of the, our situation and the criminal responsibility and et cetera, might I just ask this honorable court for an exam date at this point, and I'll reserve the issue of bond until such time as after there's testimony taken.
I can do it next Wednesday at noon if you want,
What date is that, Judge, please?
the 17th.
If I may briefly look at my calendar. Yes, Judge, that works. Thank you.
All right, you're all set.
17th at noon.
Yep,
And that's for the preliminary exam in person, correct?
live, correct.
Thank you very much, Judge.
You're
Have a great day.
welcome. See you next week.
Miss Bailey, that was on Gregory.
Yeah, what time?
Noon.
Thank you.
And then Miss Bailey, we need you on Mr. Geringer's case for Cooper. Hold on.
Yep.
Michelle, are we all set with Mr. Gregory?
We are, it'll be next week at noon. It'll be a live exam.
Okay, thank you. Bond continued?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Bryn, don't leave.
Miss Bailey, on People versus Avery Cooper, Mr. Garinger asked an argument of a motion to dismiss
Yes, Your Honor.
for outstanding discovery. It looks like discovery was outstanding over a month ago when Judge Martin had it last time. It's still outstanding. Was it ever sent?
Your Honor, I don't have anything. I don't have a physical file that I could make a copy of and send it to Mr. Garinger. I don't have it uploaded on evidence.com that I can share it with Mr. Garinger. I requested it the last time we were here. I requested everything from the officer in charge and have heard nothing back. So I don't have anything to send to Mr. Garinger.
Mr. Garinger?
Yes, Your Honor. Essentially, I'm moving to dismiss these charges, or in the alternative, to exclude any new discovery from being introduced.
It's dismissed. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Michelle, you there?
Here. Yep.
Can you put me in a side room with Bryn?
Sure. Or
Thank
Bryn
you.
can grab you.
I appreciate it.
Hey, Miss Anderson, now we're looking for your other client, right?
So I had Miss Beazell down for 10:15.
Let me look.
Yeah, our secretary called and said I'd missed something, and I panicked. So
No, yeah, I had you down for, no, I just said heads up. She has one this morning and I don't see her. That's all I said. Yeah, I have you on.
Like, oh my God, I missed something.
No, I had you on Bielski at 8:45.
I have him for the 17th. Am I crazy? Okay, well then maybe let me try to get. I'm sorry.
And I don't see him here, and I don't see him here.
Okay, I'll reach out to him. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And he could have things next week too. I'll look.
Okay.
And then Mr. Robin, I saw Mr. Hatchett was trying to log on and he, I don't know, got dropped somehow.
Yes, Judge, he was having some technical errors. I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah, we'll wait a second, see what happens with him.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, good morning. I'm sorry. Are we just supposed to wait until Miss Bailey's ready?
I've got lined up. I got people in her breakout room, so you can go in there and just sit and wait if you want.
Oh,
I have
like,
you on my list to talk to
do
her,
I
but
join a breakout room?
I have multiple attorneys in there with her.
Okay.
It's up to you.
Yeah, if I may, mine's
Sure,
pretty simple.
I can put
pretty
you in
quick.
there, but yeah,
Thank
she's
you.
got a lot of them in there.
Thanks.
Does he go before me then?
Oh, I'll stick you in there too. If she'll talk to you, go ahead.
Sure. Thank you.
Mr. Burnett, did you speak with Miss Bailey yet?
Yes, I did.
Okay, what are we doing in your case?
We're going to be adjourning for discovery and for me to write a
Okay,
deviation
that's
letter.
all I need. Okay, hold on a second.
Okay.
I saw your client here.
Okay, yeah, because he told me he got switched to the magistrate's room for.
No, not magistrate. He's talking to the clerk.
Oh, okay.
They have to confirm his information first.
Gotcha.
So I can give you, do you need, how much time do you need?
Probably 30 days, I'm guessing, by time they respond.
I can do August 31st.
In the morning.
I have 10:30. If you want further out, I gotta look. Hold on.
I just have to be in person at
okay, I just
1:15. So
didn't
no,
do-
that'd be fine. I mean,
You
it
sure?
won't take that long. Yeah, because I have to go to Rochester at 1:15, so I'll have plenty.
Oh, okay. So it'll be Zoom again.
Yeah. Okay.
So August 31st at 10:30 in front of Judge Martin, and I'll send you all the information. I'll send you a new notice.
Do we have to put anything on the record?
Nope, you just did.
Okay. I mean,
And then I will let your client know as soon as he comes out.
Okay. He's never officially been arraigned. I mean, I waived arraignment, so I don't know if we have to do anything on that or.
You know what? I see that this is one of those felonies that was just set.
Right.
So do you waive the formal reading, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Justin Brown, appear if Joey Frame will waive formal reading, stand mute.
I release him on a $10,000 personal bond. Now you're set.
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Weinberg, are we ready in your case now?
We are, Your Honor. I mean, Michelle.
What are we adjourning or are you doing?
We're setting it for an exam. Well, it's
Okay.
a little complicated. We're setting the OWI and the felony for an exam. And we're
Okay, let me
adjourning-
get the judge. Let me get the judge first.
People versus Franklin Good.
Good morning, Judge Scott Weinberg, P45874 on behalf of Mr. Good. Do not object to this by Zoom. I talked to the prosecutor, Your Honor. We're going to set there's two different matters. There's a file that's an OWI and a fleeing and eluding. We're going to set that for an exam. And then there's a separate file that is an escape when he was arrested by Van Buren. And we're going to adjourn the pretrial. And the prosecutor and I are still trying to perhaps work out something prior to the exam. That could be a reduction to a fleeing and eluding fourth, and then that would be a waiver. But she needed a little time to do that. Could we set this exam sometime in October?
I actually can. You want me to tag these together?
I do, Judge, yes.
Yeah, that's fine. I have October 12th at 11 o'clock. This is live, right?
That's true, Judge. Yes, that's fine.
October 12th at 11 o'clock.
Thank you. Good to see you, Judge.
You too. And Michelle, that's because I'm doing Judge Martin's docket that day. When you look at it and say, that's,
Oh, okay. I was wondering.
yeah.
Okay, I will send new notice.
You're all
Thank you.
set.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Anderson, I just read your note.
Thanks, Michelle.
Okay.
Yeah, he's been in and out the whole time.
Yeah. Okay, we'll try to figure out what are we, Miss Richards, good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing on Mr. Stahl?
I've received paper discovery. I wanted to check to see if there was video.
That would be Bryn. Do we have Bryn on here?
I don't see.
I'm gonna jump in and ask her, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Miss Richards, while she does that, Heather brought me the Buckles file indicating that Mr. Buckles is incompetent to stand trial at this time.
Oh, there's a report already.
Yeah,
Okay.
there is. And so my question is, she wanted to know if you wanted me to go ahead and sign the court order on the incompetency, or if you wanted it set for hearing and him brought.
Your Honor, I think I'd like to at least read the report before we do that. So I'd like
Okay,
to.
so I'll have her set it. I mean, she just brought it to me this morning because she saw you were on the docket. I'll tell her that you want it set.
Okay, and I checked the court computer this morning. I saw it was moved to 9:28, I believe.
I don't know.
Okay.
There's no date in here. She'll have to set it. I'll take it back to her.
Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk, we're ready on the Quentin Jones matter.
Okay, where did Miss Richards?
Yes.
On Mr. Stahl, she's requesting it now.
Okay.
The digital. So we need another PCC?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do next week, or do you want to? How long do you want?
Next week, I can make next week work.
Okay. So we'll adjourn it to August 17th at 8:30 a.m. Same
Okay.
Zoom, Judge Green.
Okay, thank you.
And I think, Jail, that's a wrap for you. Am I wrong?
No, you're correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thanks. You have a good one. We'll send out new notices.
You too. Thank you.
Michelle, on.
Wait, hold on. Let me tell the judge what I just did. Okay, sorry, Mr. Mays.
No problem. On Holbrook, we're adjourning for discovery.
Okay, hold on. Let me get there. What time's it set for?
It was 9:15. And I was going to suggest that we get us a new date of 9:15 as well,
Okay, I can adjourn it to
September 15.
what?
September 15. I've got a million cases.
Oh, well, I don't know
All
about that
of
because I
you.
didn't go out that far. So you're gonna have to give me a second.
Oh, no problem. I will be the number
You're
one most.
trying to be difficult for, no, what, it's September 15th? No. It has to be a Wednesday.
Oh, man.
Yeah, sorry. No.
I can do the 14th.
Well, no, hold on. It's in front of Judge Oakley.
Oh.
It's your lucky day. I can do 9:15. 9:15 on the 14th.
9:15 on 9/14.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Should we wait around or should we just get on out of here?
On Holbrook.
What's your client's name, Mr.
Holbrook.
Mays?
Anthony Holbrook, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'll send out new notice.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you very much. Anthony, you can log off.
Okay,
Miss
thank you.
Miss Richards, do you need to meet with Mr. Marks?
Yes, briefly, please.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room. Where were you? Can you rejoin where you were, Miss Richards?
I'm not sure.
Or I can move you. I can move you to a different one.
Either way.
I moved you.
Okay.
Mr. Marks. Mr. Jones, are we ready on your case?
Ready?
Yes.
What do we, no, Mr. Hatchett, I see you. Hold on. We have other people who've been
Robin,
waiting.
let you.
I know, I know you are, Mr. Hatchett. Just hold on. Mr. Jones,
Yes.
what are we doing on your case?
Michelle, he's going to be pleading. I've reached a resolution with the
sorry.
prosecutor.
Hold on. We're doing a plea on that case?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
People versus Quentin Jones.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Susanna Kostovsky, P 39535, appearing on behalf of Mr. Quentin Jones, who is also appearing over Zoom, and we have no objection to proceed over Zoom.
And what's the plea agreement?
The plea agreement is as follows. Count 1, which is a CCW, is going to be reduced to obtaining a pistol without a license, a 1-year misdemeanor. Count 2, controlled substance delivery of marijuana, is going to be reduced to simple possession of marijuana, a 1-year misdemeanor with 12 months of probation, fines and costs, and the prosecutor does not object to immediate sentencing, Judge.
It's not deferred, it's just a straight up.
Right.
Got it. Do you understand, Mr. Jones, by pleading guilty to both of these counts that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice rights form?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it true on or about May the 11th of last year, you were in Huron Township and you obtained a pistol without a license and you had marijuana in your possession?
Yes, ma'am.
The obtaining the pistol without a license is $200 in fines and costs plus state costs. The possession of marijuana is also the same. The total is $545. Can you pay that within the week, or do you need time to pay it?
I need time, ma'am.
You're gonna have to go on our website within the next 7 days and ask for a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank
Thanks,
you. Have a
counsel.
good day.
You too.
Mr. Hatchett, what are we doing in your case?
Your Honor, I need a little more time.
I'm
in
just the
terms of
clerk.
trying
That's
to
okay.
work out something. I'd ask that you give me a 30. Okay, all right. I'm sorry.
You
That's
keep
what I
breaking
want
up.
to do.
You want an adjournment?
I know I have. Yes, I do.
Okay. I can adjourn it. How long did you say you wanted?
30 days.
I can go out to August 31st
That'd be fine.
at 10:45. No, wait, no. I can do 9:15, sorry. August 31st at 9:15.
Very well. We don't have to go on the record, right? We say.
You just did.
Okay, thank you. Very well.
And in front of Judge Martin.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you.
Okay, on that day, okay?
Right,
Mr. Revenant, do you have that? And I'll send you a new notice out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Call me, Robin.
Okay.
All right.
Miss Kirkland, I have your client on here. Let's see, who do you need to talk to?
I have Constance Davis and Shannon Nelson.
Okay, I can put you in. Who you ready to talk to?
Either one. I see Miss Davis on screen, so I can talk to her.
Okay. Let me put you in. Let's see. Miss Davis, go ahead and join that breakout room.
Okay.
Good morning, Miss Phelps. Which one are you here on for?
Morning, I'm here on Tyler Garcia.
I think I see Mr. Garcia here. Thought I saw him here.
Yeah, he's here. I can see him.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
here.
What are we doing on yours?
We're just setting it for exam.
Do you have all your discovery?
So,
Did you say yes?
yes.
Okay.
People versus Tyler Garcia. Ms. Phelps, you on this?
Oh, yes, Judge. I didn't know if you're waiting for a prosecutor to put their name
I'm
on the record.
not,
Okay.
unless you want to be here all day.
Neighborhood Defender Service by Natalie Phelps, P83355, appearing on behalf of Mr. Tyler Garcia. Your Honor, we have what I believe is all the discovery at this point, and we are requesting a preliminary exam date.
I can do it next Wednesday, August the 17th at 12:30.
Hang on one second. I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time seeing my calendar. Your Honor, I'm going to be in a different court at that time.
September 21st at 11 o'clock.
Okay, we'll see you then.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Garcia,
you.
you're all set to sign off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss, is it Nicole Good? I can't even pronounce this. Join the breakout room. I sent you a request so you can talk to the clerk, please. Nicole, do you see that? Miss Richards, are we ready on Mr. Is it Marks?
Yes, ready.
What are we doing?
Setting for exam.
People versus Stephen Marks.
And that's a Sona.
Good morning, Sona Mofsisian on behalf of the people, P83923.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Nancy Richards, P68850, appearing on behalf of Mr. Marks, who is present via Zoom.
I have an exam date of September the 13th at 11:30.
That should be okay. I have an in-person at Frank Murphy at 9:20. Just I might have to call the court if I'm running a bit behind.
That's fine.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And that is it for me. Thank you, Judge Green.
Thanks.
Mr. Marks will send you a notice.
Okie dokie.
Miss Anderson, do you need to speak with Miss Fiesel?
Nope, we're good. We're in contact with each
What
other.
are we doing?
She had missed her exam date, so I just asked for the warrant to be recalled and we can reset her for exam. I've got everything from Miss Bailey already.
Okay.
People versus Tierra Fiesel. Ms. Anderson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Lauren Anderson, P85191 on behalf of Tierra Fiesel, who is present on Zoom.
Set this matter next Wednesday on the 17th at 12:30.
That's perfect.
You're all set.
Thank you very much, Judge. Ms. Feasley, you can sign off. I'll give you a call.
Thank you.
Does it say, Judge? It says 331.
Exit out of it. And go back to it.
Mr. Coots, are we ready on your case? Mr. Hamad, are we ready on your case?
I was born ready, Your Honor.
No, I'm the clerk and
Oh,
I'm glad you
Michelle,
were
I
born
was
ready.
born. That's
It's
right.
okay.
No problem.
Which,
Whenever you're ready.
remind me your client's name.
Siraj Jamil.
Got it.
And
What are we
yeah,
doing?
allowing.
Wait, where'd he go? There he is. Okay, hold on.
Sorry, I was muted. Yes, we're ready to on.
Yeah, you
on Miller.
snooze, you lose.
Sorry.
Hold on a
Yes.
second.
At least I didn't say I was born ready.
People versus Siraj Jamil. Mr. Jamil, you understand that by pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice or rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that on or about July of this year, you were pulled over by Michigan State Police and you allowed an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle that you were in?
Yes.
It's a $200 ticket. The state adds $145 for a total of $345. Can you pay that within 7 days?
Yes, I can.
Take care of it within 7 days and you're all set. Thanks, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Mr. Coots, what's your client's name?
David Miller.
People versus David Miller.
He's in the office with me,
What are we doing?
pleading to a misdemeanor. He's in exchange for a dismissal of the felony. A larceny 200 to 1,000 with restitution of $1,500 by sentencing.
Am I doing an automatic sentencing?
I would defer to the court, but I mean, obviously we don't have the $1,500 today.
Well, when can he have the 1,500?
He's on Social Security, so would the court put this out, say 2 months?
Well, why don't I just adjourn the pretrial or adjourn the PCC and let him get the money? Michelle, put it out.
30 days.
Put it out to October 12th, which is going to be me, but I'm doing Judge Martin's docket.
Okay.
So, and have him have the money by then, and we can do an automatic sentencing that day then.
That would be perfect.
Michelle, time, October 12th.
October 12th at 9:15.
Thank you. You said 9:15, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're done.
Yep, you're done.
Thanks. Good seeing you.
You too.
Michelle?
Yep.
Michelle, I had a Wade Carter at 9:30.
Yep. He never came.
And I haven't been able to get a hold of him, so.
Okay. Okay.
Could we, but this is the third time we've adjourned it for discovery. Now, we do have discovery. Can we get a show cause instead of a bench warrant? Because
I don't know. I don't know how that works, honestly. It probably will be a show cause, but I apologize. I cannot answer that question.
But no, that's all right. I'm done for today. And when we find him, we'll deal with it.
Okay. Okay. Miss Kirkland, you need a breakout room with who?
Yes, Miss Nelson, please.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Sorry. What are we doing on Miss Davis?
She has to be arraigned, so we're just gonna ask for another PCC because I need digital discovery. Then I also had something to address with her arraignment as well. regarding her going out of town.
Okay, hold on a
Go
second.
ahead, Ms. Kirkland. People versus Constance Davis. Do you waive a formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor, we waive formal reading. Samuel.
What's your issue on the going out of town?
So, Your Honor, she currently lives in Ohio, and when this case happened, she used to live in Ohio as well. She was in Michigan because she has children in Michigan. So I wanted the court to be aware of that because I know that there are out of town restrictions. She also is scheduled next week from the 22nd to the 26th to go to California because her grandmother is turning 75 and they're having a 75th birthday party. So we wanted to request permission from the court for her to travel on those days.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. And she can continue to reside out of state. Michelle, adjourned PCC date. How much time do you need, Ms. Kirkland?
I just need digital discovery. So however long it's going to take for me to get it. It looks like I might have to email the prosecutor though.
Do it 2 weeks, Michelle.
Okay, August 24th at 9:15.
And that's with Judge Martin.
Okay, thank you. And who was the prosecutor in that case? Would that be Brent Bailey?
Yes.
It is.
Okay.
Okay, let me put you in with Miss Nelson.
Thank you. And Ms. Davis, you can log out. You're all set. I'm gonna.
Okay, so the next Zoom is on the 24th at 9:15 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, I will see you then. Thank you very much.
No problem. See you then.
Okay, Miss Kirkland, you can rejoin where you were,
Okay.
and I'll put Miss Nelson there.
Okay. Thank you.
Michelle and Judge, we're
Oh,
ready.
I
on
see
Brian
you
Johnson.
now. I just put him in to speak with Mary Ann real quick because she has to, but he hasn't joined.
Who's that, Brian Johnson?
Yeah, he needs to join the breakout because his information has to be confirmed by Mary Ann. I sent him across, but he gets to join it.
Mr. Johnson, they're sending you a breakout room. Go ahead and click on that.
All right.
What are we doing on it, Dan?
A plea.
Okay.
You got the wrong time written on there, Michelle. It says 8:45.
I didn't touch it. He entered without.
Oh,
that's how he entered. Mr. Johnson, click on the breakout room. I sent you a request. Click on that because we can't do you until you do that. What happened, Miss Kirkland? Why are you back?
Ms. Nelson never came. I'm gonna log out and log back in. I think it's I'll log back out and log back in. I think it's happening again.
Oh, okay.
I don't see the breakout room. I'm sorry.
What kind of device are you on, Mr. Johnson?
iPhone.
If you touch the screen, there should be an icon that says breakout rooms on the left side.
Oh yeah, I see it. Never mind.
Do you see it now, Mr. Johnson? Yep, he went. Okay, let me try it again, Miss Kirkland. Go ahead. Everyone join the breakout room, Miss Nelson and Miss Kirkland.
It doesn't give me the options of joining or is it going to automatically?
I just did. I just sent it to you, so it should show up. Are you on an iPhone?
Yes, I am.
Dan, will you tell her what you just told?
You touch the screen, then on the left side of the iPhone, there should be an icon that says breakout room.
It says join breakout room.
Yep, join
That's what you need to do.
Thank you.
Nicole, what are we doing in your case?
I think she said she was dismissing it.
Okay, let me go ask her real quick. Okay, I'll jump in there.
Okay.
All right, Miss Gooden, it's dismissed. You're all set.
I don't have no fines or nothing.
Nope, she dismissed it.
All right, thank you, honey. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Russell, or is it?
Yes,
What are we doing in your case?
I'll have it paid off on the 16th.
Oh,
and I'll
wait,
have
what
my
she tell? What did she tell you?
She told me she was gonna give me 2 weeks to pay everything off.
Okay, hold on. Let me go check.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Batard, Mr. Johnson's here. What are we doing in his case?
We're going to do a plea.
All righty, hold on.
People versus Brian Johnson.
Morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, can you unmute yourself and tell the judge your name, please?
Good morning, Judge. My name is Brian Johnson.
Judge, I had a chance to talk to Bryn Bailey when I was in the courthouse earlier this morning. She is going to consent to HIDA. Consent was needed because Mr. Johnson, I believe, is 23 years old now. Mr. Johnson, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 22 at the time of the offense. I'm sorry, 23 at the time of the offense.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it
Yes,
true
ma'am.
that you had marijuana in your possession when you were at the airport on June the 14th of this year?
Yes, Judge.
I'll defer for a year under HIDA, assess $500 in costs. Can you pay that within the week?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
If you can't, you can go online and ask for a payment plan. No trouble for the year and it'll be dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Good luck,
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Johnson.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Okay, Miss Bailey, are you ready on Destin Russell?
Yes. People versus Dustin Russell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, or morning, I'm sorry. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
What are we doing on Miss Russell's case?
Your Honor, we're adjourning it to allow for Dustin Russell to clear up some tickets on their record and license, and then we'll talk about.
That's fine. How long of an adjournment?
30 days.
Michelle? First Wednesday in September?
Yep, let me bring it up. September 7th at 9:30 in front of Judge Oakley.
You'll get another notice, Miss Russell, but that's it. It'll be the September 7th at 9:30 in front of Judge Oakley.
Okay.
All right? Or Mr. Russell, sorry about that. And then on Wilkins, people versus Leonard Wilkins.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009. I've spoken with Mr. Wilkins. He is going to plead responsible to an amended count 2 of speeding, limited access 1 to 5, and I'm going to dismiss C and A.
Meant to a limited access.
1 to 5, yes.
Okay, I'm confused. Is that on Leonard Wilkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're all marine safety cases.
Your Honor, B is just violation of speed law. I can't find that underneath the Marine Code.
B is, oh, I see from, yeah. Yeah, it's a county ordinance that it's written under watercrafts.
I don't have any other information aside from what's just listed on the docket. If you could provide me with the MCL, I can look it up.
The county ordinance is 324-80145. It's a county ordinance. I don't know what that's how they wrote it. You guys represent the county on the county cases. I would just suggest, Mr. Wilkins, that you should pay the marine safety fail to present a certificate. If Ms. Bailey will let you do that, it's a civil infraction. You can't change a water violation to a, I don't know if we can or not, but the water wouldn't go on his driving record, and the one that you're asking him to plead to would.
Your Honor, I'm fine with that. This is, I just couldn't find the violation under the.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Mr. Wilkins? Just pay the civil infraction. It's $180 for the fail to present a certificate.
Oh, okay, so these 3 would be dropped, and it would just be a different.
You just do the no registration. It's a civil infraction on the boat, and it's no points. It doesn't go on a driving record.
Okay, I mean, because I had registration, I just didn't have it in the boat.
Yeah, it's
I'll take him back into the breakout room.
Pardon?
I can, if we do, let's do fail to present, and I'll dismiss everything else. That's still a civil infraction.
Yeah, it's a fail to present. It's $180. Okay. Can you pay that within the week?
Yes, I can. Should I just go to the courthouse and pay it?
You can either go to the courthouse or go online, whichever.
Okay, do I just use the same ticket number?
Yes, or just your name and birthday.
Okay,
All right, you're all set. Thanks. And I'll dismiss the other cases.
thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Kirkland, you ready on anything?
Yes, ready on Ms. Nelson, Ms. Shania Nelson.
What are we doing on that?
Just asking for, I don't have digital discovery, so just asking for an adjournment for time proceeding.
Okay, Michelle, what's the new date?
Do you want like 2 weeks for digital? I can do August 24th at
Ms. Bailey,
9.
do you think you need 2 weeks, Ms. Bailey, to give me discovery?
I'm not sure.
And
Okay.
give her more time, Michelle, if she doesn't know.
2 weeks, it will be enough. I just don't, 1 week might not be enough.
Yeah.
Did I need to arraign her. Do you waive the formal reading, Ms. Kirkland?
Yes, waive formal reading and SMU.
I release her on a $10,000 personal bond. Adjourn the PCC, or did we agree that August 24th was long enough?
Yes.
At 9:30.
Okay.
And that's in front of Judge Martin.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, you're all set.
But the next meeting will be on Zoom and it's the 24th at 9:30.
Yes, and it'll be a different Zoom room, and I'm gonna mail that to you today.
Okay, so it's going to be a different ID number, right?
Yep, I'm gonna mail that all to you today. It'll
Okay,
be for
thank you.
Judge Martin.
Thank you.
All right, well, we're all set.
Okay, thank you. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Miss Medina? Hi, if you just hang out till like 11, we'll just see if anyone else shows up.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You see how Wednesdays are like real busy earlier and then it kind of straggles.
Yeah, and I know it's state days for a lot of them is other attorneys. So I think it was a good day for me to get started with managing.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, Bryn.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know if your formal's going at 10:45?
I do not.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, council. Do you need to speak with Miss Bailey?
Yes, good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good. Yes, if I could have a breakout room with her, that would be great.
Okay. Miss Bailey? Miss Medina? Judd said you're good to go. Thank you
Okay,
very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you to each of you, and I apologize again. It was my first day. I wasn't sure how the
No,
adjournment
you're good.
That's why I kind of stuck around to make sure also that I watched a little bit more. So thank you very much.
No, thank you. I'm glad you were here early. It helped because we had all the 8 o'clocks. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, you take care. Thank you very much. See you next.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You as well. And please tell Maureen I said goodbye as well.